The rear anti-roll bar on the 97 Escort. You loosen up these bolts or remove both of them on both sides. Rotate this bar out of the way. And this is what the rubber should look like. So there's not enough space on the top there. You can see the thread right here. You can see where the thread is. There's not enough space on top to get this started on the top there. So I'm going to have to use a jack and jack it up a little bit. You can see more threads coming out. I recommend what you do is when trying to get all these rubber pieces in between here, just put this bolt in here, turn it a couple times with the wrench so you don't strip out the threads, and then you can pull this down, put the bolt in from the top, and then you put all your rubbers and things like that between here, and then pull it out and then put it in from the bottom. It's much easier to do it that way, in my experience. And this is what the rubber should look like. You can see I got it on there. And obviously these two right here, you can't see, but they're up in here, right there. And again, I recommend when putting all these on, you put the bolt through the top side, get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces on there, then flip it around and put the bolt through the bottom side. That way it's all lined up well for you. It's just a lot easier to do it that way in my experience. I mean, if the other way is easier for you, you can do it that way. When tightening the anti-roll bar, or as I call it here, the rear stabilizer bar, you want to tighten it until 64/100ths to 71/100ths of an inch is exposed from the top of the nut.